Black Feather is a cozy adventure game where you and your best friend, a sassy talking bird, save a mystical forest from creepy zombies. It offers relaxing, satisfying gameplay that's fully optimized for mobile devices. When we worked on the game, we spent a lot of time learning how to approach making an effective side-scroller in Horizon worlds. And we're quite proud of the results. Today, we're excited to announce the release of a free template based on the game. You're free to make this remixable world your own. But here's the even better news. You're not just getting a copy of our game. You're getting a carefully crafted template packed with beginner-friendly features and some serious TypeScript goodies for advanced creators. So, what do we mean by carefully crafted template? Of course, you can bring your own assets and easily style it under your direction. It is easy to swap the backdrop panels and introduce new design elements. The core game mechanics are easy to reuse. The ladder mechanic is drag and drop. You want to add more stone monsters? Simply duplicate and place where you want them. The very satisfying mechanic of the bird carrying you over obstacles doesn't require any TypeScript knowledge either. It's all included and easy to use. If you're a beginner who hasn't started the TypeScript journey yet, you'll love this. Without writing a single line of code, you also can set JSON variables with simple, step-by-step instructions. Explore general game settings. Start with the optional onboarding platform or jump right into the action. Choose your camera style, classic side-scroller that follows the player, or storybook mode where the camera advances only when you reach the edge of the screen. Adjust the camera distance, enable a mobile HUD, or add a health bar above each avatar. Customize progression. Define XP, levels, and rank names. Control upgrades, like how much it costs to boost speed, armor, or power. Reward players for retention. Set coin rewards for playtime, daily streaks, or unique session milestones. All of these powerful features are driven by JSON variables and careful player tracking, and all of them are within reach of a beginner creator. No TypeScript knowledge required. Now, what if you do know TypeScript? That's where the mysterious box comes in. Inside, you'll find the full architecture of the game. Everything is cleanly organized. The player manager, session stats, date and time systems, and more. Ready for you to explore, customize, and expand. We hope you enjoy the template and that it inspires you to start or continue your journey as a Horizon creator.